I wanted to show you something that might be of interest to you, and that's courtesy stair lights on your RV. So that first step out the door can be a killer when it's really dark. So I'll show you what we can do. We're going to install some lights right underneath here, underneath the door. And you do need a simple switch on the door that you can either buy or make yourself. I chose to make it because I'm a cheapskate. I would suggest that you just buy a magnetic switch, which I'll probably change this pretty soon. There's one magnet on the door, and I put it on with double-sided tape. And this second magnet, you can see it's not touching anything. It's very loose right now. It's in the open position right now with this magnet close to it. When I open the door, you can see that it pulls off and touches that little copper piece. So that's the on-off for the lights that are going to be put in. I have the wiring here. It goes back to the battery, and I am putting a fuse, 5-amp fuse on the hot side. This wire is color coded. I'm going to use the one with the white stripe as the positive. Now the power is disconnected right now, so I don't have to worry. This little piece of wire here is negative. Here's my fuse, and it's 5-amp. I'm just going to connect it to the positive side, and this piece is going down to the door. There we are. So I'll tie that back in a minute. Just going to check and see if my lights are working now. Here's the big test. We'll see if this lighting strip will light up with the door open. There it goes. So I just have to put that underneath. I'm going to clean it with alcohol first. I've got that strip of lights, and it's on right now. And when I close the door, off they go. So there's my courtesy lights, and they're working nice. When it gets a bit darker, I'll show you what it looks like and how well they actually do work. So here it is nighttime. I've got a street light close by, so it's not really all that dark, but I'll show you what this little light on the stairs here looks like now that it's all installed. I have my porch light on. You can see they are pretty dark compared to when it's open. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you give it a try. It's really simple to do. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you next time.